I ride east every other Friday, but if I had it my way, a day would not be wasted on this drive. And I want so bad to hold you, son, there's things I haven't told you. Your mom and me couldn't get along, so I drive and I think about my life and wonder why that I slowly die inside every time I turn that truck around right at the Georgia line. And I count the days and the miles back home to you on that Highway 20 ride. The day might come you'll realize that if you see through my eyes, there was no other way to work it out. Part of you might hate me, but son, please don't mistake me for a man that didn't care at all. And so I drive and I think about my life and wonder why that I slowly die inside every time I turn that truck around right at the Georgia line. And I count the days and the miles back home to you on that Highway 20 ride. So when you drive, as the years go flying by, I hope you smile. Yeah, if I ever cross your mind, it was the pleasure of my life, and I cherished every time. And my whole world begins and ends with you on that Highway 20 ride. I've been burning bright for so long I can't remember. Pretty girls and late night bars seem to be my line of work. Believe me when I say I can't stay this high forever. This man's had all he can stand. Time to lay this body down. Sweet Annie, can I stay with you a while? 'Cause this road's been putting miles on my heart. Sweetheart, I've been living in a fantasy, but one day lightning will strike and my bark will lose its bite, but don't give up on me. Sweet Annie, Sweet Annie, I know I promised you a life, but with an empty bed and the words I said don't carry any weight. If I could take back yesterday, find a way to start it over, I'd turn around, put that bottle down, and I'd pray it's not too late. Sweet Annie, can I stay with you a while? 'Cause this road's been putting miles on my heart. Sweetheart, I've been living in a fantasy, but one day lightning will strike and my bark will lose its bite. But don't give up on me. What will be, will be. Sweet Annie, turn out the lights, these hands belong to hold you, fall all over you, all over again. Come a little closer so I can show you my heart still beats fast for you, all over and over again. Sweet Annie, can I stay with you a while? 'Cause this road's been putting miles on my heart. Sweetheart, I've been living in a fantasy, but one day lightning will strike and my bark will lose its bite. But don't give up on me. Sweet